The Insta360 Luna Ultra has some of the best slow motion footage, but you can only get it with the settings that I cover in this video. Let's break it down. If you want the best resolution, let's use 4K at 120 frames per second. The first thing that you want to do is slide over to the right, all the way to slow-mo. Then when sliding up, you want to make sure you're at 4K 120. But if you want the slowest motion, then you want to use 1080p at 240 frames per second. So we'll swipe up again, scroll down to 1080p, and then you'll already have 240. A pro tip to removing the motion blur is to increase your shutter speed. To change your shutter speed, slide to the left, go to manual exposure, go up here where you have the fraction, and you want to choose 1/1000. If you're in the bright sunlight, you can go up to 1/8000. But if you're indoors where the light can be limited, then you may be under 1/1000 of a second. If you follow all these steps, you have good slow motion, but there's something that you should know about. Up until now, we've been using the mode Slomo. Although this mode does slow down the footage for you, it doesn't record the sound. If you want to be able to slow down your footage and capture the sound, for the things like splashing into water, reactions to stunts, or anything else going on in the scene, you'll want to switch to video mode, and then swipe up and then choose your settings that way. 4K 120 and 1080p at 240. This way you can still record the sound and slow down your footage later in your video editing software. You could even do some speed ramping, where only part of your footage is slowed down instead of the whole thing. But that's a video for another time. Click this video to learn how to add cinematic movement to your footage.